Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight, looking at one of the most iconic brands in wet shaving history, Pinaud Clubman. You probably have seen Pinaud Clubman at your local barbershop, or maybe seen it at the fancy grocery store or something at some point in time, or maybe you saw your grandfather having one of these in the bathroom. It is a brand that has been around for more than 200 years. Eduardo Pinaud from France. He was born in 1805. 1830, he establishes this company in Paris. He became decreed by Queen Victoria to be the sole importer of perfumes. Later, he took over another perfuming house. He became basically the man when it came to classic perfumes and eau de toilettes and other for fragrance and for post-shave experience. The brand has changed over the years. It was acquired by a company in Los Angeles a while back, and it's really expanded to be more of a barbershop brand. They have products for shaving and for just general like talc and talcum powder, other kinds of products for hair care and shampoos and stuff. We are very excited that we've just recently picked up this line. Finally, I really have always wanted this line to be at Razor Emporium. And it's funny, I couldn't figure out how to get it. I couldn't figure out who was the distributor and who was, in charge of it. But I figured it out finally, and we got them in, and I'm really excited about it. I go to a traditional old school Russian barber shop, and I have for years. And I always love at the end of when they shave the back of my neck with a shavette straight razor, my barber always asks me, "Cologne, do you want aftershave cologne?" And I always say yes. And I'm 99% sure he uses a Clubman product because that's how iconic this stuff is, guys. It has been out, it has been around. It's kind of like the Parasso, where it's just a long established brand. And I actually didn't know that it had its French origins when I was researching for our video. But I love the little classy guy with the top hat and the cane, and all the different colors. Truth be told, it's stuff like this that inspired like the Rex line with 1977, 1966 to have the colors for the aftershaves and soaps and the bright labels. It was stuff like this that I really got inspired by, seeing these really cool old school looks. Like this is traditional barbershop. People think, I always have to like explain to people that the barbershop experience isn't usually super high end. It's us wet shavers that buy the super high end products. We'll spend $30 or $40 on a high end shaving cream, but usually barbershop stuff is going to be pretty inexpensive because it's a business. They're trying to get you in, a good quality product, but not really break the bank on using the products on you. So we'll go through some of these scents real quick that we picked up, but I'm just super excited to have them at Razor Emporium. Starting with Gent's Gin. It's an aftershave product. It has a masculine scent with gin as a signature and lime and cedar notes. The classic Clubman Pinaud aftershave lotion. It is scented with the classic barbershop aroma. Is a top-notch for barbers and is trusted for generations. It's scented with citrus notes of lemon, lime, and orange, blending into an herbal note of vanilla and oak moss. The Clubman Special Reserve Aftershave Cologne. It blends together wood, musk, and citrus notes, and it exudes confidence and sophistication. Fantastic for people with sensitive skin. The Lilac Vegetal Aftershave Lotion. It's crisp, masculine scent. It's cooling and invigorating. It's refreshing and tones the skin, and it's an all-over body splash. It has a classic barbershop scent with floral lilac and a touch of warm musk. The Clubman Musk Aftershave Cologne. Contains top quality ingredients for expert skin hydration and nourishment, helps heal nicks, cuts, redness, and irritation after a close shave. Smells fresh with a unique confidence all day long. The Whiskey Woods Aftershave. It's a smoky scent with whiskey, tobacco, and woody notes. The Whiskey Woods scent combines tobacco leaf with bergamot and whiskey and woods to finish each shave on a smooth, smoky note. Clubman Virgin Island Bay Rum Aftershave Splash. It is formulated with a unique blend of exotic spices and essence of bay tree, and offers a wonderfully rich, deep scent of dark rum with strong overtones of cloves, cinnamon, and spices, giving you that intoxicating mix of aromatic delight. Well, that's all I got today about Clubman. I can't wait to get in here to do a shave with some of these products and use some of them on my skin. I know when I first started off wet shaving, I actually grabbed some of this bay rum. I think I got it from ClassicShave.com because that was the only place to buy shaving products at the time. Or maybe I got it from a barber supply. I can't remember. But I remember having this in my bathroom, and I putting it on, and I was just like, yeah, that's grandpa. That's like old school shaving. I think when we start off this journey with wet shaving and using old vintage razors, we have this scent or one of these in our brain, and we don't even know it because it is that iconic. It is that classic. It has been around forever. It is the staple, the tried and true Pinaud Clubman. We're so excited to have it. Hopefully it can make its way to your shaving den soon. That's all I got. Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium signing off. We will get back in here to use this again soon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.